Welcome to the Black Madonna Media Group newsroom, where Africa speaks and the world listens. Here, stories are more than headlines, they're soul beats of the continent. From the bustling streets of Accra to the studios of Johannesburg, we capture the truth, the triumph, and the talent shaping our future. This is your front row seat to authentic, unapologetic Pan-African narratives told by us, for us, and heard everywhere. It's your girl Lisady giving you Pan-African love and positivity. In the heart of Accra, a movement brews a symphony of voices, drums, and dreams. Thousands of Ghanaian youths converge, not for a concert, but for a cause, to rally behind the Alliance of Sahel States, AES, and Burkina Faso's charismatic leader, Captain Ibrahim Traoré. This isn't just a march, it's a statement, a declaration that Africa's youth are awakening, challenging the status quo and envisioning a continent free from external shackles. Rewind to a pivotal moment, President John Mahama's inauguration. Amidst dignitaries, one figure steals the spotlight, Captain Ibrahim Traoré. As he steps forward, the crowd erupts, their cheers echoing the sentiments of a generation yearning for change. Traoré speaks our language, not just French or English, but the language of empowerment and self-reliance. He's not just a leader, he's a symbol of the Africa we want. At the AES summit, Traoré's words resonate. We refuse to be pawns in a game we didn't design. Our destiny is ours to craft. The AES isn't just rhetoric, it's action. From unified defense strategies to economic collaborations, they're redefining regional cooperation. The march in Accra symbolizes more than support for Traoré. It's a clarion call for African unity, self-determination, and a break from the chains of past dependencies. As the sun sets, the message is clear. Africa's youth are not just the future, they are the present, demanding a seat at the table and a voice in shaping the continent's destiny. Thank you for tuning in to the Black Madonna Media Group newsroom, where the rhythm of Africa never stops. Subscribe, like, share, because knowledge isn't power until it's shared. Let it echo through the townships, cities, and villages from Kigali to Cape Town, Lagos to Lilongwe. Tag your day ones, alert your sisters, call up your brothers. It's time to build, to own, to create. We are Africa's coolest kids, and this is our renaissance. From the rhythms of our beats to the power of our screens, we don't just tell stories, we shape the future. So plug in, level up, make noise with purpose. Hit that subscribe like it's a war drum. Like it, like it's your legacy, and share it like you're passing down ancestral gold. Let's make Africa dope again, not just with style, but with substance, because when we rise, the world watches. As we sign off, remember, every story we tell is a thread in the vibrant fabric of our continent. Stay bold, stay informed, and stay connected, because the next groundbreaking chapter of Africa is already unfolding, and you are part of it. Until next time, keep the lens sharp and the spirit louder.